back, y'all. I'm Lance with Sleeper Barbecue from St. Mary's County, Maryland. And today we're going to cook a first for me today. I am going to be smoking some rainbow trout. I'm going to be using a new briquette to me that I won from Papa Joe, CJ rather, from Mom and Papa Joe's YouTube channel. This is Cowboy brand hardwood briquette, garlic and onion. I have tried another brand of garlic and onion coals before, and I will tell you firsthand already, immediately, there's a quality difference between the two, and there is a smell that is coming off this briquette coals that are just, it's out of this world. Great stuff so far. I'm anxious to get this cook going, so we're going to bring you back here shortly. Alright, so you see what we have, rainbow trouts, and they're already cleaned. $12.78 for both of them. It's a little over £1.50 pound, normally $8 a pound. We're going to give one of these things a try today. And we're not really going to get real fancy with the seasonings and everything else. I'm just going to use, if I can find it here, it's right in front of my face, I'm sure. Uncle Steve's Gator Shake. This stuff is excellent on any type of seafood. We're going to be using that. And then we're going to be using some lemon juice and some lemon parts that we sliced up from the lemon inside the cavity of the trout wide smokes. So I'm going to get this kind of stuff going, and we'll bring you back here shortly. All right, we are back. All I did really is just go ahead and open up the package, and I got a couple of the got a lemon sliced up. All I'm going to really do is just score this outer skin. I'm barely even cutting into it. I'm just really doing this for a little bit of a presentation, and maybe get a little bit of that Uncle Steve Gator Shake inside of it a little bit more. I'm sort of anxious to try this trout. I've never had trout. I'm not a big fancy fish eater. I'd rather have perch all day long, to be perfectly honest with you. And I'd be extremely happy with some fried perch. But we have in our area, you know, your rockfish, stripers, whatever you want to call them, and blues. That's the normal fish that I'm used to. But I'm just going to take some of this Gator Shake from Uncle Steve. I'm going to get me a little bit of coat on the outside just to get it going, and let it sit in here for a little bit. And I'll be coating this again yet. Because once I start messing around with it, I'm sure I'm going to have to put some more on it. But I just want to get some on this fish and get it sort of soaking into it. I will put just a little bit on the inside. And then I'm going to take this lime, or lemon rather here. I'm going to get a little bit of this lemon on the inside of it, just a little bit, nothing real crazy. Got a little bit more going on the outside. Then I'm going to take some of these lemon pieces and just put it inside of here. Just introduce a little bit of extra flavor to this. I'm going to let this sit here for a minute, and we'll bring you back. All right, y'all, next thing we're going to do is we're going to do some kale. We're going to cook up kale. And I'm going outside the box here because I like this product that I tried from T&T BBQ. It's his mop sauce. I had some more left over in the first bottle. I still have a whole nother bottle, but I'm going to get creative with this kale. I love the flavor. I like adding a little bit of vinegar to my greens anyway when I eat them in the bowl. But we're going to give that a shot. We're going to throw some red pepper flake in there. And you'll find out how good it is, or not good, about the same time I find out. So we'll bring you back. All right, y'all, so I'm all in for a boil instead of a steam. We already have about I don't know, maybe 2 teaspoons of red pepper flake in there. And I'm going to add some of this kale here in this pot that I already have already washed. I was going to steam it with this, but I'm really leaning towards the boil instead. We're going to add the rest of this T&T Thyron from T&T BBQ, his mop sauce here. We're going to go ahead and add the rest of it in here. We already have about 1/4 cup in the pot itself. And I just wanted to throw the rest of this over top of it. We're going to get a lid on there, get this thing turned on. Daggone it, I forgot my Uncle Steve Gator Shake. All right, our fish has been sitting for a while. I put a few more pieces of lemon in there, not a whole lot, but a few more. We're going to go ahead and get this on the grill here. You know, I consider myself to be an honest man. I said I was going to get this on Weber kettle and smoke some rainbow trout. But this cowboy onion garlic charcoal smells so daggone good that I'm not going to put anything on there as far as wood. I'm just going to smoke this piece of fish straight with the charcoal garlic onion flavored briquettes from Cowboy. We'll bring it back here in a little bit. All right, y'all. So I'm already changing things up. As you can see, that big old pot of kale has been cooked down to less than 1/3 of a pot. I did add some more Uncle Steve Gator Shake. As you can see, I put some carrot in there. And now I'm about to throw 3 cloves of garlic. I'm going to get this cover back up, turn the heat down, and we'll bring you back. She's cooking, y'all. Lost a little bit of my skin. Stuck to my grate, but we're coming along. I gotta be honest with you, I gotta try the greens first. I'm a huge green lover, and using this out of the ordinary mop sauce for meat, cooking these greens, has got my curiosity up. Got a lot of heat in it. You can definitely taste that mop sauce. And yes, I will be doing this again after the first bite. All right, enough of that. Let's try some of this trout. Nice flaky looking. Got a good bit of lemon taste. That garlic onion briquettes from Cowboy, you can believe me or try it for yourself. You can taste that garlic and onion in this fish. Big time. What a flavor. Great stuff. Man. All right, y'all. It's dinner time. We'll bring you back. I don't know what to say. I just extremely happy. Everything that came together. First time I ever grilled rainbow trout. First time to my memory I've ever had rainbow trout. The kale greens with that T&T mop sauce. I like putting a little bit of vinegar in my greens when I eat them. No need for it. The carrot added a little bit of texture to the kale. The garlic, you can taste it somewhat. The hot peppers, definitely coming forward. Got a bite to them greens. Greens are excellent. The rainbow trout, that cowboy charcoal, onion, garlic is something that it will be in my cook area from here on out, as long as I can get it. As soon as I opened that bag up, you could feel and see the texture difference from the other coal that I've been using for years. You can see the particles of wood in there. It lights a little harder, but it lights good. I'm not taking it away from it. It burnt hotter, in my opinion. I had lit the kettle up, and I just sort of lost my mind, or didn't cross my mind when I had this smell. I smelled this smell, and I was like, man, someone's cooking something, smells good. And then I came around the corner, and I saw the smoke coming off the kettle. I was like, oh, that's that charcoal. And as soon as I smelt that charcoal, I said, this is going to be good. I was going to smoke this rainbow trout rather, but I decided not to put any smoking wood on there. The flavors from that charcoal that put on this fish is great. You just don't need nothing else. And I'm not just blowing smoke. This is a fantastic meal. The levels of flavors with that Uncle Steve Gator Shake, the charcoal, garlic, onion, the lemon. Great meal. Please try it. I'm going to stop stuttering. I'm Lance from St. Mary's County, Maryland. Sleeper Barbecue. We hope to see you next time.